So hello everyone, welcome to Home of Happy Minds. Today I'll be teaching you how do we edit your own YouTube videos using the simple app called Shotcut. Shotcut is available on Mac, Windows and Linux, and it is completely free and comes without a watermark. I like this app a lot, and I've discovered this on the internet recently, and I guess I've kind of mastered the app. So I'll be teaching you how to edit your own videos. I'll be creating a separate playlist for these kind of videos, technological videos, and I'll be creating many more videos about how do we use the shortcuts app, how do we add text, etc. I'll also and you can also find the shortcuts playlist if you go to my channel. I'll be sending the channel link in the description box below, so you can just check the playlist out. And also, I do have a request. Kindly subscribe my channel, do like it, and share it with your friends, as sharing is caring. So first, let me show you from where you download the Shotcut app. So you just type shotcut.org, and then afterwards just enter it, and then you could see how many options it has, and then download it from here. So I have already downloaded this app and it's already opened. So to start off with, I have created a separate project. So if you're new to this app, then you wouldn't probably get this recent projects tab. You would instead get the new projects tab. So I will be starting off with a new project. First, let me delete. Okay. Now, so after you start off with a new project, this will be your first glance of the interface. So first, you need to learn how do we insert a timeline, a time track. So this part of the app is called the timeline, wherein you would get to see all your tracks. The Shortcuts app is highly adjustable, meaning the interface can be edited. So you can delete some things from here, like the audio peak meter, and have nothing. You can again open your filters tab. You can see the audio peak meter at my right, and you can also close it off. You can also get it in half screen mode, and then you could close the timeline also. Again, open the timeline, and then if you have messed it up totally, then you can just go to view, and then there must be an option called layout, and then restore default layout. So this one is the default layout. You can also adjust the size of the timeline and size of the output. Okay, so this much was the editing interface. Now let's get on to how to insert a new track. There are two methods. For first one is clicking the more option and then add video track or add an audio track. I'll be adding a video track, and then afterwards you can also remove this track by clicking on the track. When it becomes blue, you can again click the more track and remove. Now you can also right click it and add a video track. Again, you can click on this, right click and remove it. So I'll not be removing it. Now let's learn how do we insert a clip in the inside the timeline. So first you need your file explorer to be opened, and then you can open it in half screen mode. and search for your video, but then before that minimize it. I'll go to playlist over here, top one. You'll have to go to playlists, and then afterwards you'll have to open it, search for your clip. Let me see, what do I want to add. Okay, so let me add this picture of a resort. So I will first drag it. I'll first left click it hard and then drag it and then leave it over here. So you'll see that your picture or your video is already over here. You can add more things over here to keep yourself organized, and there's no need of opening the file explorer and then doing those things. You can also insert GIFs, GIF files. I've downloaded a lot of GIF files for my school project, so let me insert it. Okay, so I'll be doing only this much. Now let me add the first one. Alright, so how do we add it? Add a clip. So first, again left click your clip and then drag it on the timeline like this. You can also adjust the position of the video clip. You can extend the clip's size. So for now it's in, I guess it's in 1 second. I mean, maybe 1 second, 6 milliseconds. I'm not sure. So it's 5 seconds and 5 milliseconds, as you can see over here. Alright, now let's add another clip. I would choose this Bermuda Triangle picture, add it over here and then extend, and then afterwards you can also insert the GIF file over here. It's a small file, so there's no problem with that. Okay, so this is a small video, short video. So let's see. Now you can also play it and pause it. Okay, now I want this thank you GIF to be big. So for that I will click it, and then I'll click it, and then as we click it, you see that the video clip will turn red color at the boundary. After clicking it, you'll have to copy it. For that, you'll go over here and click this button, and afterwards paste it over here. So you can again copy it, paste it. So you can see the clip adds on. So let's see how does it look. Okay, now there's a small space over here, so I'll fill the space. Yeah, you can also zoom in and zoom out, so I'll zoom in a bit, and so that I can get a clear view of the timeline. You can also make the tracks shorter and taller by right clicking it and then and then click the make tracks shorter, so that you have more space. You can also make the tracks taller, so I'll probably make the tracks shorter because I don't like long tracks. And then afterwards take it the first main and play it. So if you like my video, then don't forget to give us a big like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And also in my next video I'll be teaching you a way more interesting topic in shortcuts. Not that interesting, but then it's needed, which is how do we add transitions to a video, and also how do we cut a video into half, quarter, anything you want, and then delete the rest of the portion. So thanks, bye.